the Rumpelstiltskin. Hi, my name is Takiyah and I will be the narrator for the movie.
Hi, my name is Casey and I'll be Rumpelstiltskin.
Hi, my name is Ella and I'll be Grace.
Hi, my name is Shane and I will be the woodcutter and the king.
Hi, my name is Ori and I'll be Connor.
Once upon a time, a poor woodcutter lived in a dilapidated old hut with his beautiful daughter Grace.
Grace, you go here every day. How can I be so lucky to have you for a dog?
Oh, Father, it is I who must have such kind loving Father as you.
One day, the woodcutter went into the village to sell his sticks of firewood. When he met a friend selling milk.
Hello, Farmer Robin. How goes it? Fairly good. How are you and your lovely daughter Grace? Have you decided to let me marry her? She will marry the better of you, my friend. She is worth her weight in gold. She even makes straw into gold.
Oh, good. I hear the king is interested in gold. Why?
Tis the golden touch she has.
Not long after this, Farmer Alvin took a load of milk to the king.
Here's a gold on his ceremony. Ah, gold. I hate to part with it. I heard there's a girl in the village who spin straw into gold. Spin straw into gold? Really?
Why, His Majesty?
What would be her name?
Grace, daughter of the third of Cook.
Guards, bring this Grace to me. Waste no time.
The guards did as they were told, and Grace married her loveliest cake spun from gold flax was brought before the king.
I've learned that you can spin straw into gold, young lady.
Your Highness, I can do anything but too.
Enough of this talk. Follow me.
But Your Highness.
The king led the girl to a winding staircase to the top of the room of the castle. There he gestured to a pile of straw filling half of the room and a small rolling spinning wheel in one corner.
Your Highness, I really don't think I can.
Silence! Spin this straw into gold before the sun rises or you will die.
The woodcutter sat on a stool outside his house weeping for hours.
What have I done? I never should have been so boastful.
A strange little man approached the woodcutter.
What said you, sir? I made a big mistake. I boasted to others that my daughter could spin straw into gold. The king heard of this and has taken her to his palace. He will not let her free until she spins straw into gold. She will never be left free because it is all a lie that I created.
I'm sorry to hear this, kind sir. I wish I could help you, but I must go. I've lost to do.
And with that, the stranger man took off towards the palace. Grace sat on the stool and cried helplessly, for she had no idea how to make gold from straw. Suddenly, the door slowed open, and a little man, taller than her knees, appeared.
Who are you?
Never mind who I am. What will you give me to spin this straw into gold?
I am but a poor woodcutter's daughter. I have little, but I'm glad to give you my necklace.
Good.
The little man took the necklace and set to work at the spinning wheel. By sunrise, piles of spun gold there for hours before there was nothing but straw. When the greedy king saw it, he was overjoyed.
Ah, Grace, my dear, I am indeed pleased, so pleased that I will give you another pile of straw to spin me more gold.
What a creep.
Fortunately, the king was busy ordering more straw, but he brought it to the small room and didn't hear Grace last cry.
By morning this will all be gold or you will die.
Again, Grace began to weep. Again, the door slowly opened, and in came the strange old man.
It's you.
What will you give me this time?
I had a dream that my mother gave me before she died.
Good.
He sat down and began to spin straw. By sunrise, the room was again filled with spun gold, and the king was delighted, and he again ordered more straw.
Grace, if you will spin this straw into gold, in the morning I will marry you and make you my queen.
Just what I've always wanted to be queen of Daisy.
Luckily, the king didn't hear that either. He hurried away just before the little man did. the king married the woodcutter's daughter. A year later, they had a baby boy, and had forgotten all about her promise when Rumpelstiltskin came to claim her baby.
Oh boy, my baby's not taking my baby from me.
If you can guess my name within
3 days.
I will not take your baby boy.
If you cannot guess my name within 3 days, the child will be mine.
All night, the queen thought of names, hoping for one of them will free her from her promise. The next morning, the little man appeared, and Grace began to chant.
Is your name John, James, William, Ralph, Ben, Charles, Adam, Rudolph, Richard, Claude, Timothy, Shannock?
With each name, the little man shook his head.
None of those my name.
On the second day, she tried even more names.
Franklin, George, Drummond, Philip, Trenton, Skipper, Melody.
Nope, none of those my name.
That night, one of the queen's messengers came with strange news and strange sights.
My queen, I was riding through the forest, and I caught a sight of a fire pit, and I saw an old little man dancing around a campfire.
Quickly, sir, what else did you see? What did you hear?
While he danced, he sang a little song. Today I dance, tomorrow I do. Then, dear prince, I come for you. None can guess, none can claim that Rumpelstiltskin is the name.
That night, the little man came calling.
What is my name?
Is it Peter? It is not. Is it Vincent?
It is not.
Then it must be Rumpelstiltskin. Rumpelstiltskin is your name?
Again, with the letter, I jumped out the castle window and was never again.
The end.